Imagine a horse that shines like molten gold under the sunlight. An animal so impressive that it seems to have come straight out of an ancient fairy tale. But this is not magic. It's not a trick of light or an editing effect. It's pure science. It's genetics in its most spectacular form. What if I told you that some horses really do shine like precious metals? That there exists a breed so rare and special that it defies our understanding of natural colors? Welcome to the fascinating world of the Akhal-Teke, the legendary golden horse. Today, we're going to dive deep into the scientific secrets behind this extraordinary coat, unveiling the very DNA that creates this living masterpiece. The Akhal-Teke is considered one of the oldest horse breeds in the world, originating from Turkmenistan, with a lineage dating back more than 3,000 years. These animals were bred in the arid conditions of the desert, developing not only exceptional endurance, but also unique physical characteristics. They are elegant horses, with slender and muscular bodies, long and arched necks, and a movement that seems to float over the ground. But what really captures the imagination of everyone who sees them is that impossible coat. That metallic shine that makes it look like the animal has been bathed in liquid gold or shimmering silver. But how exactly does this happen? How did nature create something so extraordinary? The answer is hidden in the genetic code of these magnificent animals. More specifically, in a gene called the cream dilution gene, represented by the acronym CR. This gene functions as a natural filter that modifies the base colors of the horse's coat. Think of it as an artist who takes a dark paint and adds light and golden tones, creating a completely new palette. When a horse inherits one copy of this gene, we get colors like palomino, which is a bright golden over a chestnut base, or buckskin, which creates a golden tone over a black base. These are the variations we frequently see in the most stunning Akhal-Tekes.
But when the horse inherits two copies of the gene, one from each parent, the effect is even more dramatic. Then emerge the cremellos and perlinos, horses with an almost white cream coloration, crystalline blue eyes, and that characteristic shine even more intense. It's as if genetics had created different intensities of a golden filter, each producing its own living work of art. But here's the real secret. It's not just the color that makes Akhal-Tekes so special. It's the metallic and iridescent shine that truly distinguishes them from any other horse breed in the world. Scientists have discovered that the microscopic structure of the Akhal-Teke's hair is fundamentally different. While most horses have hair with a dense and opaque structure, the Akhal-Teke's hair has something extraordinary, a partially hollow core surrounded by layers of proteins arranged in a unique way. This special structure functions as a natural prism. When light penetrates the hair, it is refracted and dispersed in complex ways, creating that metallic and iridescent effect we see. It's the same physical principle that makes a soap bubble shine in multiple colors or gives some bird feathers their characteristic shine.
In essence, each hair functions as a tiny natural optical fiber, capturing and reflecting light in a way that creates that golden or silver shine that seems to come from within the animal itself. Understanding this science is not just fascinating, it's absolutely essential for the dedicated breeders who work to preserve these living works of art. The selective breeding of Akhal-Tekes is an art that combines genetic science with centuries of tradition. Breeders must carefully balance maintaining the desired coat characteristics with the crucial need to preserve the breed's genetic diversity. It's not as simple as just crossing two golden horses. One must understand the lineages, study the pedigrees, know which horses carry which genetic variations. It's meticulous work that requires knowledge, patience, and a deep respect for the breed. Around the world, from Turkmenistan to Europe, the Americas, and Asia, specialized stub farms dedicate themselves to this mission.
Each birth of a healthy Akhal-Teke foal with that characteristic coat is a victory, a continuation of thousands of years of genetic history. The golden secret of the Akhal-Teke goes far beyond the specific breed. It opens doors for us to better understand the genetics of coats in all horse breeds and even in other animals. Equine genomics researchers around the world study the Akhal-Teke not only for its beauty, but because it represents a fascinating case of how unique physical characteristics are encoded and expressed. These discoveries help us better understand animal health, species evolution, and the fundamental mechanisms of heredity. These horses that shine like gold are not just beautiful, they are silent teachers, revealing the secrets written in their DNA thousands of years ago, reminding us that nature is the greatest artist of all. The next time you see an image of an Akhal-Teke, you'll know that that golden shine is not an accident. It's not luck. It's pure science. It's evolution. It's the result of a complex dance between genes, proteins, and light. And that, my friends, is truly magical. If you are fascinated by this scientific journey, leave your like, share with other animal lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the mysteries of the natural world. Until the next scientific adventure,